Hi, this is April 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make logo on Canva. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. It's easy. If you want to make logo on Canva, you can do it on your mobile apps or on the Canva desktop. For example, I will show you how to create logo with the Canva desktop. So from here, you can create logo using AI on Canva. So you can go to Canva AI, and from here you can see what you can do with Canva AI. In here you can design, write image, video, code, write. In here you can see you can just describe your idea and bring it to life. For example, like this. You can just enter it and you can wait. So Canva will generate your idea. It's still processing, and here's the result. It's very simple, right? And Canva also gives you much options, one, two, three, and four options. So you can choose one of these. Which one do you want to use as your logo? Or you can use apps. You can select on apps in here. And here you can create logo from these apps in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create logo on Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.